Hey there, my young students. Thank you for joining me here on video 2 so we can get started in your journal. Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video to illustrate, color, and label 1, 2, 3 vocabulary words. Repeat them with me, please. 1 is life cycle. What shape is a cycle? A circle. You'll show me one in just a minute. Word 2 is young. Repeat that, please. Young. Beautiful. You are young. I am not. Our last word is parent. Say that with me, please. Parent. Are you a parent? I'm not a parent. But I've got a pencil. That's a parent. And a young. A parent. And a young. Get your pencils ready. And let's go write our words. Draw examples. And you know we want to use lots of color details. Open up to a new clean page, because we've got work to do. Here's my clean page. I hope you found one too. And let's begin like we always do with the date. Give me a 5 for May, a 19 for today, and the year is still 2021. We've got a box up top, but we have 3 words, so we need 3 boxes. I'm going to take my journal and give about 4 fingers from the top. Give me about 4 of your young fingers. And then separate, partition. 4 more of your young fingers. And then partition. Now these are not halves, because we don't have 2. We should have 1, 2, 3. We call those thirds. Do you have your journal page separated into thirds? Bravo! Now we're ready to add our words. The first one on the screen, it's a 2 words. Life cycle. I'm going to come up here to my first box. Oh, and I'm going to write on my line I made and repeat it while I write it. Ooh, I, lie. Silent E. Life. You got that? Life. Finger space. C says Y, coal, C-L-E, life cycle. Label 1 done. Move on down to box 2 for label 2. Repeat it and write it. Young. Y. O-U-N-G. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Life cycle, young. And our last word with a P says parent. Repeat it and write it. A-R-N-T. Parent. Everyone should have 3 labels in their journal. Let's read them and write them. Let's read them and check them. Life cycle. Young. Parent. Now it's time to draw and add your color details. Let's go look one more time at those vocabulary words. What are you going to draw today? Here's a life cycle. But you don't have to copy this one. There were so many other cycles you saw in the video. Let's go look. Oh, there's one with a boy changing into a parent. You could show me the flower's life cycle, a seed to a plant. You could show me this chicken's life cycle, from the egg to the baby chick to the rooster. Oh, there's the caterpillar with the ladybug. That's a life cycle. The flower, another life cycle. The baby, gonna grow into the man. You could show me that too. Whatever you decide, make sure it goes into a what shape? A circle. I love these arrows. In your journal, in your life cycle box, I want to see something growing and changing. And I should see some arrows. The worm to the butterfly to the eggs, the chick, the egg, the rooster. What life cycle will you show me? Add the arrows, take your time, and add your illustration. Next, a young baby animal, or a baby plant, or a baby human. In your young box, show me a baby animal, or plant, or human, a young one, with details. Finally, you'll show me a parent. Could be a parent's plant, or a parent like this hippo, or a human parent. like you will be one day maybe. Show me an older living thing that can make a new living thing in your parent box. When you are done, I want to see 1, 2, 3 words, 1, 2, 3 pictures, and lots of color. If you've taken your time, I can see your labels. You've shown me details. It's time for a photo. Take a picture and upload to your teacher Google Classroom. I'll see you tomorrow to study some more baby and parent animals. Adios.